Hello, people. My name is Martins. I am from Edo State. My friends call me Black because of my skin color. When I was born, everybody that came for my dedication apparently were being like, "This guy is too black. This guy is too black." That was why my mom started calling me Blackie. And of course, I grew with the name. I no change skin color. That's what's up. I'm the CEO of Dread by Black. I do dread. I'm a professional loctician, celebrity loctician. You can look me up on Instagram. Badass when it comes to dreadlocks. Yeah. I'm also a very mad ass content creator. I create explicit content, not just the regular content, like major ass content. We'll go into that. Chill. Okay, so let me give you guys a little story about me. I was born in the early 90s. I was raised by my mom because my dad was not really it. So I was raised by my mom. She took care of us and everything. I didn't really go to school because at some point I got tired of it. Because on my phone's no day for the woman, so I just had to like kill that part of me. And then that was how I dived into hustling. Any English that I speak that is not correct, better don't count it as background because, like I said, I did not go to school. So my hustle started. First of all, my body has given me a lot of money. These muscles you are seeing have given me a lot of money. I'm not even going to talk about the dread part yet, but let's start with the muscle. I started working out like, first of all, we were living in Guagualada, and then we moved to area 1. That particular life, my story is actually very long, but I'll just give you the ones that will inspire you. So first off, I was living in the church. I stayed in the church for more than 5 6 years, 7 maybe, I've forgotten. But from the church I went to school, Federal Polytechnic Nasarawa. So when I got to school, my first week in school, when I was still trying to do my admission thingy, I was approached by cultists. And they said, "Guy, we like the way you move, we like the way you talk, and whatnot, that you should join." I was like, mom, me, I don't want to join. No. The next time they came, it was crazy. So after a week, when I've settled down in school, I was just walking past one area when I saw some big guys, and I was like, okay, you know what? This is the perfect scheme to get those cultist guys out of my back. That was how I started working out to defend myself against bullying and harassment from them. So I started working out. That's how my success for workout story started. Now, fast forward, I came to town one day after school. I was just going on my own. Somebody saw me. "Oh my God, are you a model?" I have never thought about modeling before in my life. They said, "Oh my God, are you a model?" And I was like, "No, I'm not a model." And the person said, "Oh, I want to snap you. I'm going to pay you." I was like, "Oh, cool." Then I went to the studio. The person took really nice pictures of me, and that was how it started. From there, I was taking more pictures. People were buying it. I remember sending my pictures to a brand in the US that time, and they sent me like $100. My first $100, like, not so easy just to snap. Next thing, I was now doing content creation by myself. Now, my type of content creation, I understand people like to follow the crowd. Me, I don't like crowd. I like to create my own things. I don't like crowd. So I dove into adult content. I was not making porn, so don't worry. I was just making content that will make people be like, what kind of thing is this? Do you get? So I was making content for all type of human, gay, straight, bisexual, everybody, because I didn't care. How do I call myself a content creator when I'm just making, because I'm straight, I'm making content for straight people? No, I was making content for everybody. And guess what? Started paying me good money. Sometimes I get favors from people, be like, "Oh my God, I love your content, I love the way you smile. Do you have Cash App?" No. Western Union? Yes. $500. That's how the money. So that's one side of my life. Now let me talk about the dreadlocks part. The dreadlocks part, bam, that was difficult. That was a really difficult part, because when I started, I didn't know much people that had dreads. So what I was doing is I made a card. I will go to ShopRite, I'll sit down, anybody that have dreadlocks, I'll just carry the card, I'll give it to you, I'll tell you that dreadlocks is expensive, but just call me, I'm going to do it for you at a cheaper rate. So I was going everywhere to do dreadlocks. See, dreadlocks, I was styling was like maybe 5K. I was doing my own like 152K. I was going around Abuja. I gathered a lot of customers. Then after a while, I now started taking my prices up. Then one day, boom, a call from a celebrity. Sir Uti, no, I've forgotten how we met, but somehow, we had the thing, and then I made his hair. It was lit. The next time he booked me a flight. I came to Lagos. I did his hair, and then every other I did for Teddy A. After a while, I did for plenty celebrities. You get, so now I'm a celebrity loctician. I'm not on that cheeky level anymore. It's now big cash. If you want to book Dread by Black, man, stack it up, stack it up big time. That's what's up. So now I'm going to tell you why people keep coming back to me, why my style is different and unique. I'll start with the dreadlocks. I am unique. My uniqueness in dreadlocks and why customers keep coming back is because I am fast. Like, I'm very fast when I hold your hair. Like, what would take a normal loctician like 2 hours to make it, to take me 45 minutes, no cap. You get, that's how I roll. Now let's move to the content creation, which gives me more money than the dreadlocks. Like I said, when I see people, I don't judge people. The way people see people is not the way I see them. I just see what I see. You get? So I make content, like I said, gay people, straight people, bisexual, a content that everybody will like. Those are my kind of content. I can just wake up one morning and just put flowers here and just snap picture. You understand? Gay people, oh my god! Straight people, oh my god! Abuja women, oh my god! Lagos women, oh my god! Do you get? It's not like I'm sleeping with somebody's wife or anybody. I don't even do chikulu. But at some time, just say, take this money, use to flex. We like the way you used to open your body. You get? So I am unique because I don't care. I don't care. Also, I did not bleach. Do you know what I mean? I think I'm like one out of low-key. I am top 5 darkest men in Nigeria. Like low-key. After me, then you can see Mauli, Gavor, and the rest people. But low-key, I am like top 5, like number 1. Do you get? How many people will you see with this kind of black skin? Do you get? No bleach, nothing. It's not easy now. So that's how unique I am. Yeah. See, I'm still on a journey. I'm not successful at all right now. How much rent am I paying? I'm paying over $500,000. I'm not really successful because this is not where I want to be. I want to be in a place where I will have my own house. But if at all I'm still paying rent, let me be paying like 10M. You understand? Let me be living the life large. Right now, my mom is still living in one place. You understand? We need to pull out. But now, I want to tell people that are just sitting there. There's a place called the waiting room. The waiting room group of people. The lazy people that feel like, okay, there's a manna that is supposed to come from somewhere and bless them. Or the people that are really trying but don't want to really try because of their entitled that somebody somewhere might should just do something for them. If you don't have inspiration, let me inspire you. My first inspiration, I got it from a cartoon. What cartoon was it? It was a cartoon, I've forgotten the cartoon. Then over time, I got another inspiration from Zootopia, the cartoon where they sang "Try Everything." You need to try everything. Don't look at people. Don't listen to what people say. And as a matter of fact, when you have an idea about something, don't share it. Don't share it. Imagine me telling my friend that I want to put flower here and snap picture. You understand? My friend will say, guy, which kind of rubbish be that? But guess what? Put flower for here, snap picture, don't give me money. Well, as in no cap. I'm not telling you to make it sweet. But not the talk make the thing sweet, na lie. You understand? It has given money. Do like this, black has given money. Do like this, black has given money. No, do like this. I remember telling somebody that I want to leave because I used to make braids. I want to leave braids and start doing dreadlocks. The person literally said, Omo, how many people did this in Nigeria where they do dreadlocks? But guess what? Now the dreadlock costs past normal hair. Do you get? So I'm cashing out. But I'm not where I'm supposed to be right now because God still have like major ass plan for me. So if you are out there and you feel like, okay, you just want to sit down, stand up, just try everything, anything that comes to your head. If you decide that you want to pack sand and be sending the sand to Ghana, start pack the sand, they send anything. If you want to pack shit, if you want to rebrand shit in a very nice way, I don't mean I'm literally, but I'm just saying, no matter what comes to your head that you feel can generate funds, just try to do it. Just try to do it's. And then also some people feel like, okay, you have to go to school to make money. It's a lie. Some of us, me, I not even go to, and I don't even like school. I know you tell you me no go school, me I no like them at all, because what I'm doing now is working for me. Look for the one that will work for you. That's facts. That's fact. And then lastly, I don't know how to pray. You get, I'm not gonna lie for you, I don't know how to pray. I don't pray when I wake up. You get, my mom prays for me, but sometimes it hits my head and I'm like, Father Lord, this is what I want. So have that time where you be like, Father Lord, this is what I want. It works. It works. It works. Yeah, you get. So just keep yourself locked in and just focus on that thing that will give you the moolah. Peace and love.